Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So it's been a while since I've done a video in my classroom. This is going to be a video that's a little bit different than usual. In this video, I will show you how to calculate the mean, the average number of dunks per minute. So, I have a Nerf basketball hoop in my room. I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute. I'm going to do 5 1-minute rounds. And in each of those 1-minute rounds, I'm going to try to get as many dunks in as I can. So I'm going to set the timer here. Let's see if this over the hill old man can still get above the rim here. So I'm setting the timer. I'm going to get as many dunks as I can in 1 minute. I'm going to do 5 rounds of that, and then I'm going to calculate my average dunks per minute. All right, round 1, we are starting. On your marks, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much time I got? 17 seconds. 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So round one, I got 11 dunks. A lot of breath here. So round 1, 11 dunks. I'm going to take a sip of water. And I'm going to put another minute on the clock. And then I'm going to go for round 2. I'm talking extra loud right now because I hear music in the background. I don't want to get copyrighted. I want to make sure I don't hear the music. Because we are live right now. YouTube, if any music ends up being in the background of this video, it's not intentional. All right. Round 2. I'm going to set the timer for round 2. Always remember to hydrate when you're working out. Very, very important. Always make sure you drink water. All right. So now I'm putting another minute on the clock. And I'm getting in as many more dunks as I can for round 2. And this time, to change it up so it doesn't get boring, windmills only. All my dunks for round 2 are going to be windmills. All right. 1 minute on the clock. Ready, set, and we are off. One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no, 7 seconds. Take it 7 seconds. 10. Whew. So for round 2, I got 10. I got 10 dunks in the minute for round 2. So about 30 seconds, I'm going to go again. I'm going to try to get as many dunks as I can in a minute. But this time, we are going for off the backboard dunks. Off the backboard. So I'm going to throw the ball off the board, and I'm going to dunk it. Healthy body, healthy mind. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please remember to hit the like button. So at the end of my 5 rounds, I'm going to calculate my average dunks per minute. So round 1, I got 11. Round 2, I got 10. Round 3, off the backboard dunks. See how many I get. Starting the clock. I need to make the timer a little louder. All right. Round 3. Ready, set, and go. Off the backboard. Run. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Doesn't count if you build a dunk. I'm still at 9. 10. 11. I can't count the last one because it was off the rim, not off the backboard. 11 again. So for round 3, 11 dunks again. I might have to sit for a minute. I'm tired. I got to get back in shape. As my students know, I sort of retired from the game of basketball. I'm a powerlifter now. Powerlifting is my sport. But I need to do some basketball workouts just to keep the cardio up because I am tired right now. All right. So for round 4, because I want to have one round that's a little bit higher and then another round that's a little bit lower. Round 4, I'm just going to do standing dunks, where it's off the wall, catch it and dunk it. So that way this score is a little higher here because I don't want all the numbers to be close to the same. So once I hit the 12-minute mark, I'm going to go for round 4. Whew. Sweating. Whenever you're exercising hard, remember to hydrate. All right. All right. All right, here we go. Round 4. Round 4 is just going to be standing dunks, where I just off the wall, catch, and dunk. No run and start. No run and start. So this round's a little higher. So scores a little higher for this round. So 1 more minute on the clock. Ready, set, and we are off. As many dunks as I can. 1, 2, 3. Not even gonna 12. I'm just gonna 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, I'm tired. But 20 seconds left. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right. So that round's much higher score. 27 dunks for round 4. After round 5, the math will start. All right, round 4. Round 4, 27. So I got 11 dunks in round 1, 10 dunks in round 2, 11 dunks in round 3, 27 dunks in round 4. Round 5 is going to be between the leg dunks. I'm talking really loud just in case there's any background music. I don't want that to get on the video, so I'm talking a little louder right now. Again, I don't hear any background. I don't hear any music right now, but YouTube, if any music comes into the video, it's because of the staff next to me. I have no intentions of having any music in this video, so don't copyright me. All right, here we go. All right. Round 5 now. So round 5, let's see, should I do windmills again? Trying to think, what haven't I done? I'm not good at 360 dunks. Off the bounce. All right, we'll do off the bounce dunks. That'll be a good way to, that way this one will probably be a little lower. So off the bounce dunks, so that means you bounce the ball up, you catch it in the air, and you dunk it. So off the bounce dunks for round 5. All right. Ready, set, go. Round 5 is underway. We are off. That does not count as a dunk. This is tricky. This one's tricky for me. This one's going to be a little tricky. Still doesn't count as a dunk. I might not get in it. I'm not counting that. I don't think I threw that one down. All right, here we go again. Off the bounce is kind of hard for me. Here we go. "18 seconds. Woo! There we go. 1. 2. There we go. Getting the hang of it. 3. All right. So round 5, I only got 3 dunks. 3 dunks in round 5. Oh, man. So now I'm going to calculate the average dunks per minute. So first step 1, we got to calculate the total amount of dunks. So we have to add all of these together. So step 1, we add all of these together. So 11 plus 10 equals 21, plus 11 equals 32, plus 27 equals 59, plus 3 equals 62. So I have 62 total dunks. So 62 is my total. Now to find the average, I have to divide the total amount of dunks by the number of rounds. So I did 5 minutes of dunking. To find out my dunks per minute, I have to do 62 divided by 5 to calculate my dunks per minute. And it's probably not going to be a whole number. There probably will be a decimal or fraction in my answer. So 62 divided by 5. All my students know, if you've seen my long division videos, you know, you have to divide by the smallest number possible. We're looking for the number within the number. And we can actually start out with 1 digit by 1 digit division here. 6 divided by 5. If we count by 5s, 5, 10. Oh, we're already too far. 10 is already more than 6. So we were able to get 1 group of 5 within 6. And 5 was as close as we could get to 6 without going over. So we're going to do 6 minus 5 to find our remainder. We have a remainder of 1. Next, we bring our second number down. $12 divided by 5, so counting by 5s again. 5. 10. Now, if we count by 5 again, we'll be too far. 15 would be too far. 15's past 12. So I was able to get 2 groups of 5. Within 12. And 10 was as close as I could get to 12 without going over. So 10 is what we need to subtract. So 12 minus 10 equals 2. So we have 12 with a remainder of 2. So my average, if we want to write my average as a fraction, average dunks per minute, if we want to write it as a fraction, the number we're dividing by is our denominator, and our remainder is our numerator, 12 2/5 dunks per minute. If you want to convert 2/5 to a decimal, 2/5 is equal to 4/10. So another answer, if we're converting it to a decimal, would be, we can convert it 12 4/10 or 12.4. Usually in sports, they convert to decimals. So my average dunks per minute was 12.4. I averaged 12.4 dunks per minute. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off. Oh, and lastly, huge thank you to everybody that subscribed, everybody that watched this video, and everybody that continues to watch my videos. The reason that the Mr. Camilleri Show is slowly but surely becoming the best show on television, it's because of you. It's not because of me. It's because of you. It's because of all of you who subscribe. It's because of all of you who hit the like button and all of you who tune in and comment on my videos. So I appreciate you. You're slowly but surely making this one of the best shows on television. All right, until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off. Best show on television, that's just my opinion. There might be some people that don't think it's the best show on television. That's my opinion. I'm not saying that like it's a fact. But still, I appreciate all of you tuning in. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.